Hey everyone, and thanks for tuning into a new video. Today I have a really quick haul from you guys from Pression. Came in this beautiful box that I wanted to show to you guys, and the first item that I picked up was this Luxe Washi Set. Comes with 3 different size washis, and they are Luxe inspired, so they look very similar to the Louis Vuitton print, which I really love. Super cute washi with the gold foil. The next item that I picked up was this keychain. It's also Luxe inspired, but it does have the big bow on it, and that is a Fox and Pip collab. So this is super cute, and I plan on hooking this onto my backpack, which you guys will see at the end of the haul. Next up, I got a Luxe cover for my PP Weeks, and this is the holographic foil. It is so gorgeous, again with that same Luxe inspired print. And then I also got a free weekly sticker kit from Pression with my purchase. Now for the star of the haul is this super cute backpack. I really like this backpack a lot. It will fit my iPad as well as my mini happy planner. It has a lot of pockets on the outside, on both sides, and in the insides. It's super nice quality. It is a mini backpack, and it is a limited release, so I don't know how long it'll be on the site. So if you're interested, run over there right now and check it out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.